Fasting and when we eat influences a large range of aspects of our health and well-being, both physical and mental.
Professor Andrew Huberman discusses the benefits of fasting in depth on his podcast. If you're here, there's a high chance you are not satisfied with how you look and feel. Before I explain the 5 laws of fasting, here is something nobody tells you about fasting. Fasting makes you look younger and more attractive. Your skin will glow and it will increase how attractive people find you. More and more research studies are revealing the amazing benefits of fasting. It's proven to be the best treatment for obesity, diabetes, Alzheimer's dementia, multiple sclerosis, and post-surgery healing. Fasting increases mental clarity and heals skin conditions. You'll tap into the specific energy systems that accesses your stored fat. If you are constantly eating, this will not occur. Fasting activates pathways that enhance cellular resistance. To put it simply, the stress your body goes through from fasting makes you more resilient and allows cells to function higher. After every fast, you literally become a better version of yourself. You 2.0. Now, here are the 5 principles of fasting. The 5 laws of fasting. Stay until the end because law number 5 is crucial. The first law is that intermittent fasting is a minimum of a 13-hour window where you are not eating. For example, after you wake up in the morning, do not eat for the first 5 to 6 hours, or stop eating 5 to 6 hours before sleep. Number 2. Slowly build up to extend your fast. Think of fasting the same way as building your biceps or glutes or running for long distances. It's a gradual process. If you've never fasted before, don't expect to be good at it right away. Longer length fasts like 24, 48 or 72 hours can be achieved by slowly building up your experience and resilience. The third law is that you can only consume filtered water, 0-calorie sparkling water, coffee and tea. You can add some pink Himalayan salt to your water or apple cider vinegar. For your coffee, you can add MCT oil, raw cream or butter. Number 4. Break your fast with healthy fats. Fats such as avocados, nut butter, MCT oil, butter and ghee are great choices. Breaking your fast in this way will stabilize hunger and make you feel satiated. This will prevent you from overeating or binge eating. Last of all, establish your why and write it down every day. Guys, please understand that fasting is the best gift you can give yourself, and you deserve the best in life. You are worth taking the best care of yourself. Nobody else can do this for you. You and only you have the capability to care for yourself in this way. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe.